Hi friends, today you're going to be taking your CFA. Please make sure you're pausing in between each question and answer choice to make sure you work out your answers, and then circle your answers as well and make sure you bubble it in. Number 1, Miss Thompson needs 15/2 yards of red fabric and 7.5 yards of silver fabric. Which comparison is true? A, B, C, or D? And D says none of these. Number 2, Ignacio and Elaine read the same book. The shaded part of each model represents the fraction of the book that each student read. Ignacio, Elaine. Which expression can be used to find the difference between the fraction of the book Elaine read and the fraction of the book Ignacio read? This doesn't have any answer choices on it. I'm so sorry, but it should be A, B, C, or D. Number 3, Zeke used 3/4 cup white sugar, 3/4 cup brown sugar, and 2 1/4 cups of flour to bake some cookies. What was the difference between the amount of flour and the combined amount of sugar Zeke used? A, B, C, or D? Number 4, the list gives information about the favorite color of each of 22 students. 6 students chose red, 2 students chose yellow, 5 more students chose blue than yellow, 3 fewer students chose purple than red. The rest of the students chose green. Which frequency table represents the number of students who chose each color? Favorite color, you have color, red, yellow, blue, purple, green, number of students. A, B, C, or D? Number 5, the table shows the fractions of the bulletin boards in 4 classrooms that will be used to display work. Artwork on bulletin boards, you have your teacher and fraction for artwork. Under teacher, you have Miss Brady, Mr. Chang, Miss Gupta, Mr. Taylor. Which comparison is true? A, B, C, or D? I know it doesn't have those letters, but please note it is A, B, C, or D on your answer key. Number 6, the table shows the heights in inches of the students in Mr. Garrison's class. Students' heights, you have height in inches, and then the number of students. Mr. Garrison made this dot plot to show the heights of his students. The dot plot is incomplete. Student heights, and you have height in inches. What height in inches is missing a data point on the dot plot? Record your answer and fill in the bubbles on your answer document. Be sure to use the correct place value.